Hey everybody, welcome back to Clutch Situation. I'm going to try something that I have never done before, which I'm going to make a hyperlapse video of me taking these pencil and brush organizer plastic rotating carousels out of their packages and assembling them and filling them up with pencils. And I'll see if I can pull some music here that could serve as a background while I'm doing that. So hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.